guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a Vine O box. This one is the summer box, so let's just open it up and see what's inside. So Vine O does send me these boxes. I have done a ton of these unboxing videos, so if you are interested, if you're new to my channel or new to Vine O, I will link a lot of those in the description box for you. All of the information will be in the description box if you are interested, including a discount code that I will have for you. Okay, so the first thing that we have in here is a box of goodies. Each, I was gonna say semester, it's really more of a quarter. It's a quarterly box. So each quarter, they send you 5 or 6 awesome goodies. Oh my God, I can't get it out of the box. Okay, so this will be the goodie box with like pampering things. There's always a snack. And then we have some wines. So when you sign up, you can either get 2 reds, 2 whites, sweet wines, or a red and a white. I don't think that they have an option for like a red and a sweet. I don't think. They ought to. Okay, so I have a Sauvignon Blanc from Speechless and a Tynes Merlot. These wines are always great. I love having these on hand. They are excellent crowd pleasers, or you know, just to enjoy by yourself. But I do like sharing these with people because I feel like no matter what kind of wine you like, everybody always likes these. Okay, let's see what the goodies are. Okay, so we have the little pamphlet here that tells us everything about what is in our box, as well as they always have these special offers at the bottom. So if you find something that you really love or want to get again as a gift or something, they usually have discount codes for you. Really excellent for the snacks. Okay, so we'll just put that aside and reference it as needed. Okay, so the first thing in here, speaking of snacks, are these Sunny Seeds chocolate covered sunflower seeds. I think we've had these before. I can't remember if it was, I do so many unboxings, it's always hard to remember which box had what, but I know I've had these before and they are surprisingly delicious. They do taste like sunflower seeds, so if you hate sunflower seeds, you won't like these, you should send them to me, but I think they're amazing. Okay, we have My Amazing Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner and Detangler. Ooh, awesome, I always need detangler, especially for my daughter who has the world's messiest hair. Oh, that smells good. Oh, I like that. It's kind of a springy, summery, not super floral. It smells like beachy, clean hair. My hair's actually a little bit damp right now because I just took a shower. Yay me. Okay, this one is Beach Mist After Sun Spray. Is this like for your body or your hair? Let's read about it. Reset and refresh your skin with the Lyfestyle Co's After Sun Spray, a combination of soothing aloe, mint, and lavender. This spray has a calming scent and will help to moisturize and hydrate your sun-drenched skin after a long day in the sun. You will never leave home this summer without it. Pro tip, keep in the fridge for extra cooling effects and shake gently before use and spray onto clean skin. Guys, I'm actually going on vacation. I'm going to Hawaii tomorrow. I think I might bring this with me. Let's see, let's give it a misty spray. I don't know where to spray it. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, it has like a light, refreshing scent. But that smells really nice. Okay, this looks like a palette of some sort. Athena. Oh, Laritzy. I know Laritzy. Laritzy's a great makeup company. They have fabulous things. I believe they're Canadian. I think this is a blush palette. Oh, eyeshadow. It is eyeshadow, but it's all pinky things. Do I have this? Wait a minute. Do I have this? I can't remember. I have so much makeup. This is ridiculous. You probably could use it for blush. They're really big pans. A lot of time with eyeshadow, you know, you get like the smaller pans and these are more blush size or like in between. But I mean, those are really pretty colors. Let's see, and you've got like, ooh, that's some like taupey and peachy and shimmery pink and like a rose color. These are really pretty. This is terrible swatching on my part, and I like that it has a mirror in there as well. That's very nice. Some sunnies. Wouldn't be a summer box without some sort of sunglasses. These are not my favorite style, to be honest. I will give these away to somebody else because I do not like aviator style sunglasses. They're super cute, unlike everybody but me. I'm more of a cat eye person. Also, I can't do the nose pads. I have like permanent scars on the side of my nose from wearing glasses as is. And once upon a time, I had a pair of glasses that had nose pads and they tore up my nose. So I don't mess with nose pads. And a towel! Oh my gosh, I was just shopping for a towel yesterday because my kids are like, we don't want a Paw Patrol towel anymore. So I was gonna get like a non-cartoon one. Perfect. Oh, this feels nice. This is much better quality than the janky ones at Target. I ended up not getting a towel because Target's beach towels did not feel good. This feels nice. This feels like, you know, it's not super plush, but it'll be a good beach towel. And it's a good size too. You know, I'm gonna wrap it around myself. It's perfect. I love it. Yay, how beachy and fun is this box? This is perfect. And there's mine. So that makes everything better. Like I said, all of the information will be in the description box if you guys want to check it out, as well as my discount code. I will list all of the items that I have as well, and the wines and all that good stuff. So happy summer to everybody. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Vino, for sending this to me. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!